Meet Jaron. Jaron is interested in purchasing a 20-unit multifamily complex. Jaron meets with his lender, Tegan, who brings up a metric that Jaron is unfamiliar with, debt coverage ratio. Jaron asks Tegan to discuss debt coverage ratio and its importance. Tegan explains that the debt coverage ratio measures a property's ability to cover its monthly mortgage payments from the cash flow it receives from renting it out. Tegan says that the debt coverage ratio is calculated by net operating income divided by debt payments. For example, if Jaron were to purchase a 20-unit property and his NOI was $25,000 each month with a $20,000 mortgage payment, his debt coverage ratio would be 1.25, meaning that his property is generating 125% of the monthly mortgage payment to the bank. Therefore, he has the ability to make the entire mortgage payment and a comfortable 25% left over. Tegan explains that the debt coverage ratio is an important metric because it shows bankers and lenders whether a property will be able to generate enough cash flow to pay back a loan. Jaron thanks Tegan for her explanation of the debt coverage ratio, and he is excited to use the metric to better analyze his potential deals.